Yeah, good.
What does working out with weights do to your heart?
It causes more load on the muscle, so it makes your muscles pump more blood to the area. If I have to pump more blood to the area, like putting my hand in cold water, at that point, that blood has to go there very, very quick rate. So it makes your heart work harder to pump more blood to the area. Your heart is your pumping mechanism to get things through the body. By doing the weights, which I like, allows you to move that blood faster and harder. Some people can work out just with weights, not do any cardio, any running or jogging or walking, and get the same effect if they push your body hard enough with the weights. If you do your leg workout properly and work out with weights with your legs, that blood has to go from your heart to your legs quickly. That causes you to feel like you're out of breath sometimes. For that reason.
My son works a lot with CrossFit.
Yes.
Exercise, everything. Not necessarily with weight, you know.
It's even body weight's fine too. Because it's quick interval training. With CrossFit, the way the CrossFit workout goes through, their program is you want quick exercise for about maybe 30 seconds to a minute, a quick break, another exercise, quick break. So their heart rate goes up and down. It's interval training, up and down, up and down. That change in intensity in the workout, the change in intensity, allows your heart to get confused. Doesn't know it's going to go up or down. Cause more stress on the heart sometimes. Depends how old you are and how your heart is. It's sometimes a good thing for your body to get through that temporarily for a short burst of workout. The problem is if you're, unlike CrossFit, maybe lasts half an hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour the most. That's where your body hits that wall and starts breaking down tissue versus helping tissue. So you have to watch your body with CrossFit to make sure you're ready for it initially, you're in good health, and then watch how you respond to it also. Once you've done